want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Earlier today in the trading group, I said, very important that the bulls hold this key level to avoid more downside right here, right at 43,200, 43,200, key level, right? Came up, acted as the ceiling here, key level, acted as the ceiling. Strong resistance is supposed to be support, and it failed. The bulls, this is a big, huge, solid red weekly candle. Not amazing. Now, we'll zoom in. This is the daily time frame. Again, if the bulls can't hold this support right here, right, you could see a move down here to the lower trend line, right? I mean, essentially, the lower trend line's been so well respected. I mean, you could still, there's bounce ideas right here, but I mean, do you want to see $39,000 Bitcoin? I mean, and I was talking to the group today on screen share, just how like the easy money in the uptrends, and then when you're at overhead resistance, take the downtrends off. Or we've posted some 3x short setups in the trading group. But again, this pump was real quick, but this, I mean, this was like Christmas. I mean, this was like every single altcoin banger was happening. Now, there's some anomalies, some coins doing different things on Kucoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person reached out to me today. He said, I joined your group around 2 years ago. I've used your skills and knowledge to progress in the crypto market. He turned $60,000 into $3 million. That's 50x. He 50x his money in 2 years. Give me some time to work with you. Give me some time. You've got to learn the rules of this market. I can show you how other people trade. I can give you an edge. I can make sure you're in the best setups. I can teach you. There's a point where you get tired of losing money in this market. Let me help you. This person, hey legend, I just want to thank you for the bull trap heads up. When I talk about a bull trap, I'm closing setup. I'm closing. I called the bull trap. He's up $5,000 because essentially he sold and then rebought the bounce. Sitting on the sidelines, safe, not taking losses. That's the key. This person retired. He's been in management at oil and gas company for 20 years, management position. You're not making a ton of money right now in this market. I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. All right, this is important. Okay, so what's going to happen? The Fed, they're going to raise the rates every FOMC meeting. Okay, the stock market already is counting on 25 basis points. Right. This is important because SPX, Bitcoin's been following the stock market, period. Idea of 25 basis points being, the economy is out of control as far as inflation, right? And so they have to tighten the money supply. Don't want to see is them try to essentially raise the rates by 50 basis points, 0.5%. You want to see them do it at 25 basis points. Right? They have to tighten the money supply in order to increase the value of the dollar in order to slow down inflation. But the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, is coming out Tuesday, April the 12th at 8:30. If we get negative inflation numbers again, this is going to move the market. This is going to shake it up. Write this down on your whiteboards. This is going to shake the market on Tuesday. Watch. Arthur Hayes, who founded BitMEX, right? He's nailed some pretty good price targets, and I'm not into predicting, but Arthur Hayes, I remember when he was calling double-digit Ethereum, $80, and I'm like, there's no way. I nailed 2-digit Ethereum. I got in shortly after at about 125, but I'm just saying, you buy $125 Ethereum, Just have to stay in this market a long time. If you haven't made a ton of money, your time is coming. But Arthur Hayes came up with this idea, and he thinks that the second quarter of this year, he thinks Bitcoin could see $30,000 and Ethereum could see $2,500. Now, I trade the charts, but the idea that there's some long-term downside happen because the stock market is going to come out. The FOMC is going to keep raising the rates. Stocks don't normally react well to this. I mean, you could see a recession in the stock market. Okay, so not amazing. Ethereum BTC. This is the performance of Ethereum compared to the performance of Bitcoin. Ethereum BTC got some possible daily bearish divergence. You do not want to see this. Even though this breakout retest was, you don't want to see this divergence confirmed. Because, I mean, this is really one rising wedge. This breaks to the downside, things change real quick. Altcoins are taking a hit right now because Bitcoin dominance broke higher. We were in screen share, and it looked like it was going to break lower, and it pumped. It broke out of this falling wedge. And I said, hey, watch your altcoins. Watch your altcoins because this thing pumps. I mean, you don't want to get a double bottom here. You don't want to get a double bottom here confirmed and then this travel higher because, I mean, you'll see 20 and 30% pullbacks on your altcoins. So we're talking about the inflation being out of control. The feed $5,200 more this year to live the exact same life you did last year. Inflation is out of control, and they've got to fix it. In order to do that, they're going to raise the rates, tighten the money supply, and stocks, which are tied to crypto, aren't going to do well. We could see a recession. SPX. So you got to, I mean, essentially this is still a bull flag. 68% chance this breaks out to the upside, but you can definitely see another drive lower. Right now, if you look at pre-market trading, SPX is red. Okay, we'll see how it looks in the morning, but look for a bounce out of Bitcoin when this breaks out to the upside. This SPX is the S&P 500 index, and Bitcoin bulls are waiting for this to break out. Until then, you have to assume the price action continues downward in this pattern, period. Go over to Kucoin. Some of the top gainers are short tokens. Not amazing, right? I mean, this thing, cup and handle on Luna, 3x short, AXS. This thing's breaking higher. Like, you have short tokens as the top gainers. Not amazing. AVAX, short. FTM, just one of those days where you get a pump. You get a pump out of Bitcoin dominance. It's not good. Short tokens are pumping. All these are inverted charts. Kucoin link in the description. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.